Gold at a crossroads? The charts for XAUUSD are painting a picture of intense debate, and the next move could be a big one. Let's break down what the market is signaling. Right now, the sentiment surrounding gold is deeply divided. There isn't one clear direction. Instead, we're seeing a classic battle between bulls and bears, with both sides making a strong case. First, let's look at the bullish perspective. Many analysts are pointing to a clear upward trend that has recently broken out of key consolidation patterns. They see the current price action as a pause before the next leg up. The key area they're watching for buys is a potential pullback to the support zone between 33.40 and 33.45. If price finds a floor here, bulls are looking for a rally towards a first target of 33.80, with many aiming for the significant 3400 level, and some even calling for a push to 34.15. However, the bears are not sitting on the sidelines. They view the recent push higher as an exhaustion of momentum right into a heavy resistance area. For them, the zone between 33.57 and 33.75 is a critical selling point. Their analysis suggests that if the price fails to break through this ceiling, we could see a significant reversal. Bearish targets are set initially around 33.45, with some looking for a much deeper drop towards 33.28 and possibly even lower to 32.60. So, what are the key takeaways from all this? Gold is currently at a pivotal inflection point. The market is caught between strong bullish momentum and a formidable resistance zone. The battleground is clearly defined. The bulls are looking for support to hold around the 33.40 to 33.45 area to confirm their upward bias. The bears are watching for rejection at the 33.60 to 33.75 resistance zone to validate their sell-side view. Ultimately, the market is poised for its next directional move. A strong break above the resistance could signal a powerful continuation for the bulls, while a firm rejection and drop below support could hand control over to the bears. The tension is clear, making the next few sessions critical for gold. As always, manage your risk and watch these levels closely.